Is your laptop painfully slow? Apps take forever to open, the mouse freezes, and even clicking feels delayed. Before you spend money on a repair shop or buy a new laptop, watch this video till the end. I'll show you real fixes that actually work. Most people think laptops become slow because they're old. That's not true. In reality, software issues, background apps, and wrong settings slow laptops more than age. When your laptop starts, many apps launch automatically. You don't see them, but they use RAM and CPU immediately. Warning: if your laptop fan is always loud, background processes are working overtime. This silently kills performance. This upgrade alone can make your laptop feel 5 times faster. If you're using an HDD, your laptop is being held back. In 2026, 8 gigabytes of RAM is the minimum. If you use Chrome, Zoom, and Excel on 4 gigabytes RAM, your laptop struggles. Malware runs silently in the background. It slows your laptop and risks your data. Updates are important, but when they break, performance drops fast. When your C drive is almost full, Windows can't function properly. Free space equals speed. Many laptops are set to power saver mode by default. This reduces performance heavily. When laptops overheat, they slow themselves to avoid damage. Too many extensions and tabs can make even powerful laptops feel slow. If nothing works, a clean reset can give your laptop a second life. Sometimes upgrading RAM or SSD is smarter than buying a new laptop. If your laptop feels faster now, great job! Save this video, share it with someone struggling, and subscribe for more laptop problem fixes.